at home with Tyler.
Okay, my first
Noah, and
time
Savannah.
playing penguin
Okay,
slide.
whatever.
Woo, it's penguin
She
time.
makes me
Woo! Yay.
Yeah. Ah, I got it. Gotcha.
I got it in my,
No.
in my hot box still.
Ah,
I'll
Fred,
send it
this
to
is.
you again.
Ah,
That's the only way I
Fred,
keep
this
up
is
with her.
bad.
So I don't
Ah.
it, that page.
Oh no, he's
Too
all over
late.
again.
Anything you want to know about her.
Ah.
He fell again.
Still too late. I'm never going to beat a new record.
I'm laying on the couch.
Yes.
So did you see Larry when you were
This
there?
isn't so bad. Collecting the red fish is going to be a piece of cake. Wah!
Oh, I'm sure.
Sorry.
Gosh. Okay. Well, I'm not looking forward to.
There's going to be a red fish coming. There's one.
Yeah.
Too late.
I know. Unfortunately.
Getting to the red, getting to the blue and green
Okay.
fish.
Tomorrow, back to reality. Kids go back to school.
No, Murphy. It's okay.
Because they've been out since when the weather got crappy. Before they were supposed to be out, they were out. So like a week before Christmas, they've been.
10 seconds.
Yeah,
Well,
maybe
I guess I
10
can hurry now.
Yeah. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Alright, bye.
Darn it. 52.
Okay, guess who number one is?
Here. Could you take that, please?
Yeah.
Penguin! Yay, penguin!
Look who's number one. Look who's number one.
You.
Come on, keep on going up.
Ha! I knew it.
Number one.
Okay, Jack, stop now.